Hello, assalamualaikum guys. Welcome to our channel QAF Vlogs. Today my topic is how to earning the 5 best paid survey New Zealand companies 2021 top reviews New Zealand's. Click on this website. The 5 best paid survey New Zealand companies. Scroll down. Best paid survey New Zealand companies by Leo Williams. How do you feel about sharing your personal opinion and earning extra income for them? If this sound great for you, perfect timing as we featured the best paid survey New Zealand companies here. We choose the ones that give excellent rewards, whether in the form of cash or vouchers. Next, we selected sites that are smooth and easy to use and have great fun surveys. By the way, we also read the client reviews for these survey sites just to make sure they are reputable. You can answer these surveys whenever it's convenient. Now, here are the best paid survey New Zealand companies. Content hide. Tolona influencer highlights customer reviews. Second, peer profile highlights customer reviews. Third, opinion wired New Zealand highlights. Fourth, I, IPSUS ISA highlights customer reviews. Fifth, valued opinions highlights customer reviews. And number one, Tolona influencers. Best for enjoyable survey for awesome rewards. PayPal cash prices at $10. New Zealand leading retailer gift cards. Website and this is website links. Okay, guys. Address New Zealand. Contact detail no. Operating hours no. Tolona Influencer is one of the best paid survey New Zealand companies dedicated to letting your thoughts we had valued to benefit the community. Here, here they give fun and quick service where you can earn decent rewards. Getting started is very simple and so is earning points. Say one member earning 20,000 points can get you $10 PayPal cash reward. 60,000 points can we you gift cards worth $30 from retailer like Walmart of the warehouse. You can download the Tolona Information app on the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Highlights. Fun and quick service give decent rewards including cash and gifts cards dedicated to benefiting the community app supported. Customer reviews. Check out the feedback of one participant think on the website. Tolona is a good way to earn extra money with PayPal or gift cards. There are some good surveys and even ways to earn bonus points. Number 2, peer profile. Higher side income, cash, gifted cards, movie tickets, online payments, discounts. Address Auckland, New Zealand. Content details, this is numbers and Gmails. Operating hours no limited. Operating worldwide, Pure Profile offers a range of invite tickets and cannot be found just anywhere for answering their profile survey. Sweet cash rewards, fuel discounts, movies tickets, gift cards and discounts. It's up to you, and just by telling them or about yourself will get you around 2.85 cent. Their site is easy to navigate. Every task is easy, including scrolling down their feed and starting service. What's more, they are mobile friendly, so you can answer surveys here wherever you want. One independent reviewer reports rate has been even acquired $200 cash through this site, which in terms of extra super considering the amount of effort it took. Highlight great for side income range of incentives all about building your profile mobile friendly easy to negative and navigate sites customer reviews. One user Sandra said this on the web page. I have been using Profile for more than 8 years and I really enjoy the survey experience. I access the feed every day to find new survey waiting for me. It is only research provider that has a campaign for me every day. Number 3 Opinion World New Zealand. Cash reward, PayPal, cash money, flexibility. This website, New Zealand, contact details, no operating host, no. Opinion Reward in New Zealand is a survey site that gives a survey from a vast array of topics. That data collected is used by cover in 3,000 companies to grow their business. This is the survey sites you like to be you would like to be in if you want to cash money. Also, you can win a flexi e-gift card to purchase from different shops including App Store and iTunes. Proton is a far cry from what you shall feel in taking their service. As you shall find something new every day. The process is as simple as 1 2 and 3. Just connect, share and redeem. Highlights interesting range of topics, offer cash prizes, flexi gifted cards can be used for wireless retail simple survey process. Number 4 IPOSIS say is a fairly new company driven to keep their service interesting and rewards enticing for their panel members. They offer gift cards for Caltex, JB, Hi-Fi, iTunes, and App Store servers are kept fun and humorous to the extent and server can crack you up, says one member. Besides being able to provide relevant data for companies, you shall get something cool for yourself or others to join their community and share your voice. Hence, we include them here in the best paid service New Zealand companies list. Highlights light-hearted and fun service rewards you with gift cards over 3 million members. Number 5 Very wide opinions. Have a strong stance about particular fancy one shoes brand over another. Now ways a product can be better, you should share them and very wide opinions. Thanks for guys watching my videos.